Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking the basics to fix volume issues quickly. Charge the Siri remote for at least 30 minutes before testing again. Keep the remote within 3 meters and point it directly at the TV or receiver when you press volume buttons. Restart the Apple TV by holding Home and Menu for 5 seconds. After reboot, test volume control while playing video to confirm whether buttons respond to TV or receiver volume commands. Open Settings, then Remotes and Devices, then Volume Control to choose TV or receiver. Select Learn New Device if your TV uses infrared and follow on-screen prompts to teach the remote. Enable HDMI CC in both your TV and receiver menus for automatic volume control using HDMI signals. Test volume changes after switching options, and repeat the Learn New Device process if the remote still cannot control volume accurately. If problems persist, reset the Siri remote by holding back and volume down for 10 seconds to force a reconnection. Unplug your TV and receiver from power for 20 seconds, then reconnect to clear temporary HDMI CEC bus errors. Update Apple TV software to the latest version and retry pairing steps afterward. If volume still fails after resets and updates, contact Apple support for diagnostics or replace the remote if battery or hardware faults are detected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.